Hello everyone there. My name is Brittany Ortiz. I am making this video today because I was in a solo vehicle accident. I was the passenger of this car in January of 2016. And I just wanted to show you here some evidence that I have that the Arvin Police Department is addressing low retention and lack of officers. And this was updated in November 17th, 2015. So, about a month or two before my accident, in which I had no fault in, the driver of the vehicle had no driver's license. And I was not aware of that because she had authority of the drivers of the vehicle to be driving that vehicle. She never told me she didn't have a license. I never knew that she didn't have a license. And now, after I've hired a lawyer, now we're in July, almost in August. So it's been almost 8 months, and I have not found a lick of evidence because even after paying for the police report, I was surprised when I received it to find that there was no owner information about the owner of the vehicle. There was no insurance information. So even if I wanted to, there was no possible way for me to even file a real lawsuit when they were allowing someone else to drive their car and I was a passenger in that vehicle when they allowed them to drive it. My lawyer has not given me any of the information I need. There's only a couple things I need. And those two things are the owner's names and the insurance information, so that I can defend myself in the court of law against anyone who says that I was not injured, because I actually broke both of my ankles. I had 16 stitches in my face. I have PTSD. I had depression and anxiety before this accident happened, and then it got much worse. I tried yesterday to go to the day before yesterday, to go to the Arvin Police Department. They did not tell me that it was the officer's job to take down that kind of information. So I'm kind of curious, since it's against the law for us to not register our vehicles, because it's against the law for you to not drive without a license, because it's against the law for you to not have insurance, what makes it right for them to enforce that law, but yet when someone is injured because of that law is not being enforced, make me have to do the dirty work? Because I've had to try to go by her home. Nobody answers. So I've never been able to talk to the owners of the car. I have tried to talk to her myself. She has promised me time and time again that she will give me that information, but she never has. So please, if there's anyone out there that really understands the law, I know a lot about the Constitution, I know a lot about my rights, but it really bothers me that in this small town here in Arvin, California, that someone can get away with something like this. When I was going to be a nurse, I had been in college for 2.5 years. Because of this accident, the impact on my ankles has had such a tremendous impact on my life. My ankles have not even healed in the time that they should have been healed, because the impact was so bad. We were going 45 to 50 miles per hour in a 25 per mile hour zone. We were on a residential street. She crashed into somebody's yard. She hit 2 of their cars. And then she damaged their tree. Her baby was in the back seat of the vehicle on my side. She did not have her baby or herself go to any kind of hospital to make sure that they were okay. Me and my little sister were both taken to the hospital. My little sister had a burn on the side of her neck from the seatbelt. Thank God she was wearing it. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Other than that, she has nightmares every night. She may end up having PTSD too. I can't even get in a car without having anxiety about being in a car because of this. So please, anyone's help on this situation, I would really appreciate. I'm always open to learning new things, to knowing the law. I try my best to know the law. But I feel like I don't know enough about this case or about specific laws on what police officers are supposed to do at the scene of an accident. So whether it's good or bad, I just want to hear what you have to say. So if you would respond, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You guys have a good day. Bye.